Welcome to Zentali Meditation. Find a comfortable seated position. Gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in. Slowly exhale all tension. Feel your body begin to relax. Bring your attention to your breath. Inhale calmness and peace. Exhale stress and worry. Scan your body from head to toe. Notice any areas of tension. Allow them to soften and release. Be present in this moment. Let your mind be free. Embrace the stillness within. Visualize yourself in a peaceful meadow. Soft green grass beneath your feet. Gentle hills rolling into the distance. A clear blue sky above you. Warm sunlight touches your skin. Colorful wildflowers sway nearby. Birds chirp softly in the distance. Leaves rustle with the breeze. Feel connected to this place. Begin to walk slowly forward. Each step brings deeper calm. Feel the grass under your feet. Reach out to touch a flower. Its petals are soft and delicate. Inhale the scent of fresh blooms. The air is crisp and pure. A gentle breeze caresses your face. Butterflies flutter around you. They dance from flower to flower. Notice the colors and patterns. Be fully present in this moment. Allow your senses to awaken. Hear the symphony of nature. Feel the warmth of the sun. See the vibrant hues around you. Find a soft spot to sit down. Settle onto the gentle earth. Feel grounded and secure. Sense the energy beneath you. Let go of any remaining tension. Imagine stress melting away. Embrace the stillness within. Allow tranquility to fill you. Your mind is calm and clear. You are present and mindful. Focus on the rhythm of your breath. Inhale peace. Exhale worries. Feel harmony with your surroundings. Carry this calmness within you. Know that this peace is yours. You can return here anytime. Stay connected to this feeling. Appreciate this moment of serenity. Be grateful for this experience. Let your heart fill with contentment. Embrace the essence of mindfulness. You are present, calm, and aware. Rest in this state of being. Allow thoughts to pass like clouds. Remain centered in the present. Feel the gentle rise of your chest. Notice the subtle sensations. Your body and mind are one. Experience the joy of stillness. Trust in the peace within you. Let go of past and future. Only this moment exists now. You are grounded and serene. Hold on to this mindful presence. Begin to deepen your breath. Bring awareness to your toes. Wiggle them gently. Feel your feet on the ground. Move attention to your legs. Notice sensations in your knees. Shift focus to your thighs. Bring awareness to your hips. Feel your spine lengthen upward. Breathe in calmness and peace. Exhale, releasing any tension. Embrace this mindful state. Open your eyes, staying present. Thank you for joining Zintali Meditation. Don't forget to like and subscribe.